Now we'll discuss one by one the options available in a edit. Okay, which are the options available in a edit? In a edit, we have a undo. Shortcut is a control Z, and redo control Y. Undo is nothing but something you have been written here, like this you have been written. If you like to come back to the previous step, something like that, then we will be using a edit and undo. It will be taken to a previous step. Okay, redo is nothing but same way. Edit, redo is nothing but repeat the whatever the actions you have been carried. Okay, that will be repeated again. Whatever the actions you have been done, undo it to come back with that again. We will be using a redo. Then it is about a cut. Cut is nothing but you have to select the date, anything, the words or any line, which one you would like to cut it down. Okay, you can go to edit and say cut. It will be deleted. It will be deleted from your. You can cut from here and you can paste somewhere else also. Okay, that is a difference between a deleting and a cut. Okay, cut temporarily it will be deleted. You can paste it somewhere else by using a edit paste. Okay, but it will be like control V control C. That is a shortcut. It is saying that. Okay, control V, control V for pasting a that whatever you have been cutted. Okay, then again the copy paste is a similar way. We know that control C for copy and control V for a paste. Okay, control V for a paste. The same thing here also, it is that control V and control C. The one more thing is a something you have been copied here. Okay, but this whatever you have been copied, if you like to paste, but it, I don't want to have that particular format. If you use the control V, the entire format, this in a red color, everything will be pasted. Without format I would like to paste. For that, what we do, we go to edit, paste without format, paste without format. Okay, so that we can use that one, paste without format, which is the shortcut here. Control shift and V, press control shift V, so that we can paste without a formatting. Without formatting we can paste that data which have been copied from some with the format we have been copied. Okay, this is about a edit. And one more option in the edit, to delete it permanently, select edit and select a delete. Okay, like that we can delete it. Okay, control C for copy, control X for cut, control V for paste, control shift V for pasting without format, and delete. Select all, control A to select entire document at once. Control A, if you press control A, everything will be selected. Whatever there in a document, everything will be selected by control A. Escape to come out from the view. And in edit, find and replace, the one important thing, find and replace. Control H for the find and replace, or select that find and replace. For example, somewhere I would like to find the word called as a word, we have to find. You can see all are highlighted in a green color wherever it is their word. And I would like to replace that with a word, like our XYZ. Okay, I would like to replace as a XYZ. While replacing, we can say that okay, match the case is nothing but similar. It should be, W should be in a capital, others should be in a small letter, then only it will be replaced if you selected a match cases. Okay, then only such a word will be selected, where WORD, where we have a all small letter, that will be a selected. If you like to select the capital one is with a W should be in a capital, then we have to write in the exact. If you like to replay, if you like to find a exact word, in the sense exact thing, then we have to use the match cases, otherwise turn off the match cases. Then we can say replace all. Okay, replace all, replace one by one also it is possible. Okay, we can say replace all. To replace a, wherever you find a word, it will be replaced with a x y z. This is about a find and a replace. That is about a find and replace. Control H is a shortcut. You can find any of the thing here, you can find and you can replace with that. Okay, that is the application side of the find and replace. Okay, this is about all the options available in a edit for the editing a document.